Welcome back to today's morning report. Trust prices on Monday, 7th of August with me, Rich Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at euro dollar now, and euro dollar had a fairly big negative candle on Friday on the back of that payroll report, stronger than expected headline jobs growth. But the market has started to stabilise already. That didn't have. I mean, the only negative aspect to this chart, really, apart from the candle itself, was this broken little uptrend that we have been in for 3 weeks. But the bigger uptrend, the big sort of 4 months jobby, remains firmly intact. Nothing really doing especially to harm the prospects of that, certainly. RSI still above 60. That's been above 60 throughout the last sort of 5-6 weeks. MACD lines, yes, they've sort of tailed off a little bit, but not crossed over yet. Stochastics, yes, have tailed off a little bit, but not confirmed across signal. It still looks all very positive, doesn't it? And you'd be sort of looking at this little correction, you think buying into weakness, really. 1711 was that huge August 2015 high. That has become supportive. And subsequently, I think it still remains intact. So the fact is, we haven't really broken any real sort of support on this chart. So the market has remained in positive configuration today, 30 pips up on the day. Just nothing really doing in terms of correction yet. A little bit of a more corrective move on the hourly chart. I mean, so for example, if the RSI stayed below 60, MACD line stayed below neutral, that would sort of suggest pressure onto sort of growing to the downside. But 1727 is the low. That's above obviously 1711. So yeah, it all looks pretty much in terms of the outlook fairly positive still. You'd want to see the market sort of breaking back above sort of 1840 area as a bit of a near-term pivot, but the high at 1909, that is likely to be retested. I mean, it's especially if the market closes higher today and just regains its poise. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.